Life is not easy. Every person you admire today has gone through pain, failures, and moments when giving up seemed easier than holding on. But those who never gave up are the ones who changed their destiny and the world. Thomas Edison failed over 1,000 times before inventing the light bulb. Michael Jordan, the greatest basketball player, was rejected from his high school team. Even Colonel Sanders, founder of KFC. What if they had given up? We wouldn't have known their names today. Was rejected 1,009 times before someone accepted his recipe. Giving up is easy. But easy paths never lead to greatness. Every failure is a lesson. Every setback is a teacher. Winners don't quit when they fail until they win. Success is not about never falling, it's about rising every single time you fall. Remember, success belongs to those who refuse to quit. No matter how many times you fall, no matter how hard the road gets, stand tall, keep fighting, and never, ever give up.